Follow these steps to fix iOS 18 update stuck on update requested or update paused. Let's get in. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. For that, launch your settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, restart your iPhone. Press and hold volume up plus power, then slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on and try updating again. Next, check Apple service status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website apple.com system status. Now check if there are issues with iOS updates. If the servers are down, wait and try again later. Next up, delete and re-download the update. For that, launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. In this list, you're gonna find iOS 18. You have to click on that, tap Delete Update, restart your iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and try downloading it again. Next up, free of storage space. iOS updates require at least 5 GB of free space. So, to check that, click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, you can upload or delete unnecessary and unused apps. Likewise, update using a computer. Connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac. Open Finders or iTunes. Select your iPhone and click Check for Update. Download and install iOS 18. If none of these solutions work, reset network settings. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings, and go through the process. Following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.